Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover how to upload files to a single record in Salesforce in Titan Files version 2.0. In my project here, I have set up a lookup to contact. We have added a file uploader element that's over here in your elements. Just click on the plus. In the inputs, it's right here, file uploader. Alternatively, you can search for file uploader. And right there it is. Drag that onto the canvas, as I've done here. We have a submit button, and behind the button, there are some actions that push these files to the selected contact in Salesforce. So this is what happens. I'll go ahead and preview. I have my contact here, Andy Anderson. He has 3 files attached. We will select him from the contact, look up. We will choose another file. Let's go for the multi-page lorem ipsum. Click submit. And if we come back and look in Salesforce, we should see that 4th file now. There it is. So let's take a look at how all of that is set up. Once you have your file uploader elements added to the screen and some other means of identifying a record, such as a lookup to the contact, you will need to create a push to Salesforce. Click on the gear icon, go to Salesforce, go to push, click create new. This window will open. This is one that I've already set up. The object in Salesforce that you need to select is content version or files. They are the same thing. Files is the label, content version is the name. The action is create. In your mapping, I'll go ahead and filter this to show you what I have mapped. This is the minimum of what you will need to map. For the Salesforce field version data, you want to select the file element from the file uploader. Choose Files, File. For the first published location ID, you want to map the record ID of the first record in Salesforce where this file should be attached. In this case, we want to attach it to the contact. So I've selected the lookup contact element that's on the page and its value, which is the contact record ID. Other things that you might consider setting here, you can set a title. You can give it something static like this, like so. You can add a description, and so on and so on. I'm not going to add a title. But the minimum that you need mapped, remember, the version data, which is the file itself, and the first published location ID, which is the record ID to which you want to attach the document. Go ahead and click on Apply. Then you will want to call that action from somewhere. In this example, we are calling it from the Submit button. So select the button, go to the Action Editor. Add a Salesforce action node, as I've done here. And in the Salesforce action, we want to select the files create push that you just made. Click Next. Go ahead and save. Click Apply. And save your project. Let's go ahead and preview this again and give it another test. Select Contact. In this example, let's select Bob Blogs, a new contact. We'll choose our files. Let's go to lorem ipsum 2 and 3. Click Submit. The operation will run. Let's find Bob Blogs. And as you can see, those 2 files have been added. And that is how it's done.